So this one will be quick. How to find the vertex? Vertex of a quadratic function. Let's go with our default problem. Let's say that we have still x squared minus 5x plus 6. Okay, and again, our ABCs, our A is 1, our B is minus 5, our C is 6. Where's the vertex? For now, we can only memorize. I'm not going to prove it to you. I'll definitely prove it in some other video of proof. The position where the vertex is. We can call it x vertex. I guess we can use x ver. Is always minus b. Now let's go with the blue b. Divided by 2a. And the 2 can be in white. We plug in the numbers. Again, we simply plug in our numbers that we have. Our vertex is a minus 5. This is 2 times 1. Now, I made a mistake because, well, there's minus minus, which means here minus minus, which is a plus. And the position is, unsurprisingly, in the middle of the two roots. 2.5. 2.5. What we do now is that we plug in our x vertex into the function, and we check how high or how low it is. So we're now plugging in 2.5. We're plugging in 2.5 here, here, and yeah, that's about it. 2.5. So I'll use brackets again. Bracket, bracket. It's a 2.5er. It's not a shot in basketball. There are only 3-pointers. 5 squared. Sorry, I don't know what I was doing there. Let me do that again. Okay. Minus 5 plus 6. There we go. 2.5. We're plugging in 2.5. This is squared minus 5. This is also 2.5. Here equals 6. And I will just get my I'm not sure from the top of my head how much is 2.5 squared. So it is 6.25 as we can see in the calculator. So we have 6.25 6.25 minus 12.5. Is it 12.5? It is 12.5 plus 6. All right, I'm doing this in my head. So we have 6. I'm going to go in this way. 6.25 minus, this is 12.5, which is minus 0.25 is our answer. So where is the vertex? This is the y value. Our vertex is located at the coordinates, our coordinates of the x vertex, which we just calculated, and the y vertex, which goes right here. This is the y vertex. So plugging in our numbers is that our vertex is at 2.5 if I'm not going with fractions, and minus 0.25. So we can finally draw our function. Hopefully didn't make a mistake, but I don't think so. So we're drawing our function. We know everything that we need to know about this guy, so we can draw him. We have the roots. We have the roots that we have x equals 2. We have the second root. We have equals to 3. We have the vertex. Ideally the coordinates, but honestly, you just need the y value. The coordinates are the best. This is the vertex. And these 3 points we have to draw on the coordinate system. So let me just put in 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. These are the 2 points. So it has 2 solutions. It has 2 real solutions. And 2.5 minus, it's going to be a, that's tiny bit. It's somewhere here. Here's the vertex. This point is the vertex. And now, for now, it is just to, how to draw it is just to connect the dots using a smooth parabolic line. Don't think too much about, simply it has to be continuous and it has to be a curved shape. So, we cannot do something like this. It has to be a continuous, kind of like a ghost shape or like hill. It cannot change the shape. So it will look something like this. Okay. Now this is our function right here. And that's about it.